Hello to the group, John Stern, Holiday, Utah. I want to talk about some camping gear that I just purchased. Coming up this spring, I'm going to be doing some outback type fishing and catch and cook type things. And so I wanted to get some equipment to carry with me so I can do that on the fly. And it's interesting because these days, in order to find good pots and pans, it's difficult to find stuff that is made in the USA. Most of the refined type material equipment, it seems to me, is made in China. I don't know why that is, but that's just the way it is. So I found Firemaple. Firemaple has a lot of good reviews on Amazon, and they have a lot of great stuff, and it's very cheap. So that's what I purchased. So I went with, I wanted a pan that wasn't too big. I didn't want it to be 10 inches. I didn't want it to be 5 inches, somewhere in between. This is like 7.9 inches. And it has its own handle. So it comes in this box. It's about $25 and change on the Amazon, which I think is just amazing. Comes in this bag, just like this. Nice touch with a closure. And here it is. And it has a Teflon on the inside. I just washed it, so there's a little water in here. I think this is great. This is going to be perfect to be able to fry things on the fly, or take it with you. Really happy with this. And it's really interesting how in this day and age, if you know what you're shopping for and you know how to find it, the dollar is so powerful right now. You can find great stuff for really cheap. I mean, $25 and change. Amazing. Okay, so that takes care of that. I also wanted something that I could maybe deep fry stuff in fairly quickly. So I went to AliExpress, and as you know, I'm a big AliExpress fan because you can find things there that you can't find anywhere else, and it's fairly cheap, even with the new tariffs and everything else. So CampingMoon, and there's also CampingMoon.com, but I didn't know it at the time, but they make these two items. The box was, I think it was 18, and the strainer was, I think, 12 or 13. I'll put links in the description. So let's see what this is all about. It's got a handle, which I really like. So when I put it on the stove, I'll have the handle. I won't have to clip anything on, different things. It's got the cover, and it's got holes here and holes here so you can drain things. In here, I have 3 bottles of oil. The bottles I purchased on Amazon too, it was like 4 bottles for $8. There are 1, 2, and 3. And obviously these are refillable, and you can put whatever oil you want in here, yada yada. And then this is the whole key to the whole thing, is a strainer. And that works just like that. So you can put whatever you want in here, put it on the stove, fry it up, lift it out, set it down, whatever, and go at it and eat. I'm showing this just to give you some options of things that are out there that could maybe solve your problem too. And then I bought a pair of OXO tongs. Love these. Everything is small, self-contained. I wish I could fit this in here, but I can't. I think this is just, I think it's great stuff. And from my Army experience, I want everything to be nice and small and compact and self-sustaining, and just, as small as it can be and as packable as possible. and then go from there. So this is my kind of sort of camping update. I'm going to have more equipment to talk about as I move forward. I want to show the stove, and then I want to show the other Firemaple pot for boiling water and that type of stuff. Yeah, so I maybe have, I think I got $8 into this. I'm going to round this up and say this was $25, and then this was $25, so maybe 60 bucks total, which is amazing. Totally amazing, and it's good quality gear. It'll be great. It'll work just fine, unless I lose it or bend it or whatever. So, okay, hope all's well. Put links in your description of what, you know, not links, but comments of what you found useful, so others can use those comments as research to find other ideas for different things. But yeah, the Firemaple stuff I think is excellent. Okay, cheers.